Codename One builds native apps and games in Java from one codebase. Today, Game Builder lays out a Blackjack table, while plain Java owns every rule. The table is spatial data, the cards need art, and Blackjack has stateful rules where an ace changes value to avoid a bust. Treating all of that as one rendering script makes every change risky. React's state model describes rendering as a snapshot derived from state, the same separation a rules-driven board game needs. Java's two-dimensional graphics model separates shapes, text, images, transforms, and compositing from higher-level widgets. Game Builder stores the felt and card elements on separate layers. A companion draws rank and suit from data, while an ordinary Java class computes hands, hits, stands, and outcomes without a framework dependency. The rules add every card, count aces as 11, then soften them only while the hand would bust. That method can be unit tested without starting the game or editor. The canonical sequence shows the board grow from an empty scene to felt, an opening deal, a hit to 19, and a playable win. These are actual Game Builder states, not stock card art. The developer can redraw the entire deck by changing one method, change the rules in a plain Java test, or rearrange the table visually without rewriting either one. Choose Blackjack variants, poker, solitaire, or an isometric board.